ఎన్జిఆర్. ఇప్పుడు ఆరోగ్యానికి ఆనందానికి ఉపయోగపడే యోగా గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం.
Slowly and gently you may open your eyes. Take your time. Lie down on your back. Start by stretching your whole body. Take your hands above your head and stretch your entire body. Press your palms together. Bring your feet together. Point your toes out. And give a good stretch to your whole body. Squeeze your navel in. Engage your gluteus muscles and stretch nice and good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and relax. Bring your hands down. Relax your whole body. Now a little warming up. Start by lifting your right hand and your right leg up. Breathe in. Lift your right hand, right leg up. Breathe out and down. Breathe in. If your hand is sucking at the water, some forward side. Breathe out. 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4. Breathe in. Breathe out. 5. Breathe in. Now today we do 3 postures which will help us to detox our body, to release all the toxins from the body, any kind of sluggishness in the body that will get released by doing these 3 postures. So the first one is the prone posture, which is Shalabhasana or the lotus pose. For this you have to lie down on your stomach. Stretch your hands forward, feet slightly apart, and front of the foot should be flat, forehead resting on the mat. Now as you breathe in, first raise your hands up, start lifting your shoulders and your chest up, lift your legs up, lift your thighs up, and just balance on your abdomen there. Squeeze your gluteus muscles, engage your legs also, and keep pressing the abdomen down and just balance on your abdomen here. Hold it here for at least 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Remember, when you hold the posture, do not hold your breath. As you exhale, slowly and gently lower your hands down, bring your forehead on the floor, and relax again. Let's repeat this one more time. For a deeper practice, same posture, Shalabhasana or locust pose. Stretch your arms forward, forehead on the floor. Breathe in. As you breathe in, raise your hands up. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Raise your chest up. Raise your legs and your thighs up. Balancing on your abdomen. You're activating all your abdominal organs, making your digestive system and your excretory system work better. Detoxing your body. Exhale, slowly lower your hands down, lower your legs down. Now for relaxing, relax in crocodile pose. Fold your arms in front of your head or in front of your face, palms resting or your cheeks resting on the palms and feet on either side. Let your breath come back to normal here. Let your body come back to its normal position, your breath into normal position before we move on to the other posture. So the next posture that we will be doing is Dhanurasana. Again, it is very good to detox the body, good for your frozen shoulders also, and good for increasing the suppleness of your spine. So for Dhanurasana, again, you're lying down on your stomach. Fold your legs. Keep your knee apart, keep your feet apart, and hold on to your ankles. Those who can't reach the ankles, just hold on to the toes. Others hold on to the ankles. Chin on the floor when you start. Now as you breathe in, again raise your upper body, lift your chest up, press the navel down, squeeze your navel in, press the abdomen down. The pelvic bone should be pressed down, and then start lifting your legs up and your thighs up and look up and breathe into this posture. Hold it for a couple of seconds. Remember, normal breathing here. Do not hold your breath. Just settle down completely in this posture. Normal breathing. Slowly as you exhale, first drop your upper body, then drop your legs down, stretch them out, release and relax in Makarasana again. Hands folded in front, cheeks resting on the palms, feet on either side. Let's practice the same posture one more time. Dhanurasana or bow pose. Bring your feet together, fold your legs, keep your chin on the floor. Keep holding on to your ankles, toes pointing. Keep your toes engaged, guys. Now from there, breathe in and lift your upper body. Squeeze your shoulders back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Just press your navel down. Squeeze your abdomen in, press your pelvic bone down, and then start lifting the legs and the thighs up and look up and breathe into your Dhanurasana or bow posture. Normal breathing, remember, do not hold your posture. Keep breathing normally. Keep lifting your legs up. Now those who are comfortable and those who can rock front and forth with your breath. Slowly inhale, exhale, massaging all your abdominal organs there. Excellent. Relax, come back to the center. As you exhale, drop your upper body, release your legs and relax. Relax with your arms folded in front. Stay there. Breathe into this posture. For the next posture, pull yourself up. Sit in Vajrasana. Sit straight, sit in Vajrasana. See, keep your belly button engaged all the time so that you tone up your abdominal muscles. That's very important. And keep your shoulders relaxed. Don't tense your shoulders. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Now for the next posture, unfold your right leg. Unfold your left leg. Take your hands back. Just warm up your legs gently. Just shake them or maybe bounce them. Warm up your leg muscles. Now from there again, you're doing a twist. Marichayasana for a twist. So for this, bend your right leg. Try and press the knees close to your buttocks and keep 1 palm distance between the foot and the thigh. And the stretch leg, keep it engaged by flexing the toes. Draw the kneecap up, draw the thigh up and lift your spine up. Don't let your chest collapse like this. Press your buttocks down. Both your buttocks should be pressed on the mat. That is very important. Now you use your right hand to lift the spine up. See, if you're sitting like this, press the right palm down and lift your spine up, chest broad. Now stretch your left hand up. Either you hold the knee, hug it close to your body, lifting your spine and chest up, and then twist. Let's do this, and then I'll show you a little more deeper variation. Keep your chin up, Jyoti, spine straight, and look back. Focus on the twist here, resting both the buttocks down. Slowly and gently come back to the center. Stretch your left hand out, and stretch the leg out. Let's do this on the other side. Marichayasana on the left leg. Hold the left leg. Place the heel close to your buttock and 1 palm distance between the foot and the thigh. Again, you will see most of us, our spine will collapse like this. So use your left hand, press the palms down to lift your spine up. Keep your chest open. Then stretch your right hand up. Hug the knee. First, let's hug the knee. Resting both the buttocks. You don't lift your right buttock up. Rest both the buttocks down and then twist. Keep your spine long. Engage the muscle of your right legs by keeping the toes flexed. Focus on the pressure being given at the abdomen from the thigh. You're working on activating your kidneys, flushing out all the toxins from the liver and the kidneys, activating the liver also. Come back to the center. Stretch your right hand up, hand down, stretch both the legs out and shake them, relax them. We go into a more deeper variation. Those who can't do that, continue doing the first variation. Again, fold your right leg, place the foot close to your body. 1 palm distance between the foot and the thigh. Again, right hand back, close to your body. Stretch your left hand up. Now this time, take your elbow outside the knee. Keep this leg engaged, all of you. Don't drop the leg down, keep this leg engaged. Stretch this hand, rest your spine up. Lift your spine up. And then focus on twisting and twist back. And breathe into that twist. Now when you want to come onto the portion, breathe in. Come back to the center, stretch your hand up and down. Let's repeat this on the other side. Hold your left leg. Now lift your left hand up, place it behind, close to your body and get that lift in the spine. Push your belly button in. Stretch your right hand up. Take the hand from outside the knee, twist your body and look back. Keep your spine straight and keep pushing your buttocks down. Try to keep the back hand close to the body and focus down, stretch both the legs out. Just relax. Now divide your feet further, take your hands back, push your sternum up, let your head rest on the shoulders and relax your whole body. Slowly come back to the center. Now you can cross your legs and sit. So we practice 3 asanas today, 3 postures. Shalabhasana, Dhanurasana and Marichayasana. All the 3 postures are excellent to detox your body, releasing all the toxins from the body, especially after the party season, the way we binge and the way we eat in. So it is very good to detox the body, to flush out all the toxins and also to really enhance the activity or the functioning of our liver and of our kidneys and all the internal organs.
చూశారు కదండి ఇవాల్టి డాక్టర్ ఎన్జీఆర్. రేపటి డాక్టర్ ఎన్జీఆర్ లో మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం. అంటిల్ దెన్ కీప్ వాచింగ్ ఎన్జీఆర్.